She twisted his knee, I think. Ronaldo. Keep an eye on the 11 He's out with 21 now.
Again.
How did he get it? You know, he's trapped in the square.